How to log out of Discord on all devices. So if you want to log out of Discord on all devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is simply open up your Discord application, and this is the kind of interface you will see. And from here, you will be able to simply come here. So from here, you want to go to user settings. And once you go to user settings, this is the kind of interface you will see. Now from here, what you want to do is just go to this option right here known as devices. And once you go to the devices option here, you want to simply go to this log out of all known devices option. So you can see you'll have to log back in on all devices. So you can click on log out of all devices. It'll ask you to enter the confirmation by using your password. So once you enter your password there, you can just click on the confirm button right there in order to enable it. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log out of all devices on Discord. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.